Most B2B websites don't fail because of bad CRO tactics or weak UI. They fail because the brand foundation is unclear. When buyers can't understand who you serve, what problem you solve, or why you're the better choice within the first few seconds, they leave. And when messaging shifts from page to page, trust disappears fast. Modern B2B buyers want outcomes, clarity, and proof. They self-educate, compare alternatives, and make most of the decision before they ever talk to sales. If your site talks in features instead of real-world impact or forces demos before value is clear, it won't convert, no matter how much traffic you send. Fixing conversion starts with fixing the brand, sharp positioning, unified messaging, outcome-driven copy, modern design, and a website that mirrors how buyers actually buy. When brand, UX, and performance work together, the site stops leaking revenue and starts driving it. If you want help tightening your brand so your site actually converts, reach out and let's build it properly.